Hey, Sarge, you got a lost and found here?
Room 112 for the squad room.
10-4.
What dame would date some ordinary rover when she could have Casanova?
What'd you do, Charlie?
I shipped Lance to outer Mongolia.
Sitting with this guy makes me feel dirty.
I'm stuffed.
That was nice of Max to bring that ham to the park for you.
Ooh, that was. I love human food, you know?
Eats it?
Excuse me, pardon me. We're saved. Charlie, how come you're so, pardon the expression, pooped?
Gross.
Oh, hey, don't knock it till you tried it, babe. So, bitch, you ready for cotton candy?
No thanks. I just lost my appetite, Elcho.
Listen, the alien invasion has begun. They've landed in my apartment. They're here. Whoa, was that the best meal in a month?
Yep.
This is delicious. I love it.
Imagine the cook's giddy proud delight when I tell him.
How about food? Food is good.
Boring.
Oh, yes, let's.
Sorry. Another round, please. You probably worked up a sweat eating so fast. Pardon me. Charlie? That you?
Hi there.
Oh! Ow! Yeah, but it feels good to be helpful.
And now, here's the Active News Hero of the Week.
However, I know you will take this news with a stiff upper lip. What?
Charlie, who could fly this bomber?